Right, welcome to the ElevenLabs text-to-speech bot installation guide. So I'll go through with you here how to install the bot and how to run it, and I'll also show you at the end what you can do using this bot. So since you have to run this bot locally on your computer or on like a laptop or something, you're going to need a fair few things. So first of all, we need to download the last version of this bot. So we'll go to the releases here and we'll get the source code. Open this up and you can place this folder wherever you like. I'm just going to put it here on the desktop for now, and we can see the files here. So you got the two folders here with files, and then which are pretty much empty right now. We have the bot script and we have a JSON file for some data. So if we go back here, first of all we have to create the bot. So we'll go to the Discord developer portal. First time you go here, you might have to accept some terms and conditions and stuff, and log in, of course. So then we'll go to a new application here. We'll do bot TTS, whatever you want. Accept this, create. You can set your icon here if you like. Just gonna put this one for now. And then we'll go to the bot tab. So here we have a section called Privileged Gateway Intents. We need to enable these so that the bot can join the voice channels and send messages and things like that. And then we have a token here that we will press reset on. We'll get the token here. You want to copy this and save it somewhere, or we can come back to this later on. Then we go to the General Information tab. Go to the installation guide that is on GitHub. Copy this path, put it here. Copy the application ID from the General Information tab on the bot, and then we will replace the client ID bit here with the brackets. So it should look something like this. And then we press enter. We have the bot here. We're trying to invite it to our server, so we'll put it in my testing server here and authorize. There we go. So here we have our bot that we just made. It's offline right now, but we'll fix that later. Then we have to create our ElevenLabs account. So we'll go to the website and you'll sign up here using either your email, or you can log in with Google or Facebook, I think. So every account gets 10,000 quota. That's a number of characters you can use per month. So I'd recommend just trying it out for free first, and then if you like it, you can subscribe to get a larger amount per month. So then we have the bot data that we need to add. So we'll go to our JSON file here that we downloaded earlier. We'll open this using any text editor, will probably work. I'm going to use just Notepad++. It does the job just fine. So there's a lot of stuff here, but we only have to worry for these three for now. So first of all, we need the token for our bot. That is the token that we found here in the bot section. So if you still have this open, you can copy this. If you've closed this page, you can just reset the token and get a new one. So we'll grab that and we'll put that here. Make sure not to remove the quotation marks. So then we'll need the ID of our server. So to get this, we go to Discord and you click the server here on the left. Right click that and you copy the server ID. If you cannot see this, you need to go into your user settings, go into advanced and enable developer mode here. Then it will appear for you. So we copy this and then we paste it in here. No quotation marks here. And then we need the API key from ElevenLabs. So we'll go back here and you click your account here, and then you have the profile bit, and here's your API key. So you want to show this and copy it in there, and you paste it in here. just with the quotation marks there. There are also more options you can change here. For example, the command prefix. If you already have a bot that uses the exclamation mark, you might want to change this to something else. These other options, there's more information about them in the notes here, so just check that if you're interested. I'll come back to this joining and leaving sounds later. So since we're running this on our local computer, we need some things installed. So those are FFmpeg, Python, and some Python libraries. So first of all, we need FFmpeg. So we'll go to this link right here. Get the latest GPL release for your system. So I'm using Windows, I'll get this one. Once that's finished downloading, we'll open it up. Open the Discord Madness board folder. Go in here and grab the bin folder and just drag it in there. So now that we have the FFmpeg files, we will open run using Windows key R, and we'll go to sysdm.cpl. This will open the Advanced System Properties window. We'll go to Advanced here and Environment Variables. So in here, we will have a look at the user variables. We'll click on Path and click Edit. Now we go back to the Discord Madness board. We will go into Properties of bin, and we will copy this path right here. Go back here, go to New, and then we copy that, or paste that in there. And then we just press OK. And OK. And close that. Alright, that's FFmpeg dealt with. So next we have Python. So I've only tested this with version 3.11, but it should also work with 3.10. But if you have an older version, then you might need to upgrade. So we'll go to the website and we'll download Python right here. Save that, run it. Now I already have it installed, but you'll have the install button here, and then you'll have another tick box right here that says add Python to path. You want to make sure you check that. Else you'll have to go back to the environment variables again and also add the Python installation path to there. So you install Python, it should work just fine, and that should be it for Python. So for the Python libraries, we'll open PowerShell or similar program like that to run scripts, and we'll run it as an administrator. So in here, we'll want to type pip install discord, pip install mutagen, pip install pynacl, and pip install ElevenLabs. This will install the libraries that you need to run the bot, and this pip thing will work with if you have Python installed properly. Yeah. So we can try and run the bot here and see what happens. There we go. It says it's connected to Discord, so let's see. And there we have him. He's online. Let's join the voice chat here. So let's try a few of the commands, see if they work. First of all, we can check that we actually have some quota left. So let's do exclamation mark quota. There we go. We have 27,000 characters. Let's check voices. These are the default voices that come with ElevenLabs. So we can choose one of these for trying. Let's just try Adam. So let's do TTS Adam. We set a stability between 1 and 100, or 0 to 100 you can do. So let's do 50. And hello, this is my TTS tutorial. See what happens.
Hello, this is my TTS tutorial.
So there you go. Now you have your bot saying stuff for you, and everyone can hear it. And then we can also try unstable. This sets the stability that we put here to 0, so you don't need to put it if you just want to do some crazy stuff.
Hello, this is my TTS tutorial.
It's a little bit more unstable, but if you add a bunch of exclamation marks and stuff, you can make some real crazy shit. Alright, so then you can also do a random. This will take a random voice and a random stability. So let's just put this again.
Hello, this is my TTS tutorial.
So there you go, use Daniel with 0.92 stability. So that's 92. Alright, so that's it for the basics. And then we can have a look at the leaving and joining sounds if you want those activated. So let's disconnect from here. And then we open up the notepad again. And then you need a role ID here. So for that, you need to create a new role or use an old role. So we go into server settings here, go to roles, and then you can create a new role here. So I've just made this TTS, just set a color. It doesn't really matter. None of these settings matter. So we'll just save that. We'll go to where is it? Here we go. Click on more, and then you have the ID here for the role. So we'll copy that role, we'll put it in here, and then you also need to make sure that you add every person who wants this to be a thing for them when they join and leave the voice chat. So maybe your most active members, just don't put this on everyone if you have a big server, because it's going to use up the quota real fast. So now it's activated for me. Then we put this to true as well. And you can change the stability if you want between 0 and 1. So now let's save this. So then if we open up the bot script here again, we'll see when we join the voice channel if we get a little welcome.
Hey guys, it's me, Luna_Mai. Ain't that just great?
There you go. There'll also be disconnect sounds, which we can see here in the console, that Dave said goodbye to us. Although only the other people still in the channel can hear it. So, and then if we join again, we'll get it.
Oh, MFG, it's Luna_me. Brilliant.
Great. So yeah, if you want to, you can also add more joining and leaving sounds here. I'll just put a few that I could think of. So add anything you like, make it as crazy as you want. I encourage it. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.